Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be getting into Mike's customer's 1992 Honda Civic Eg. It does have a k20z3. We're going to be putting a GT35 eBay turbo on it. But first we do have to take off the head. So here's a quick look at her. Got to take off the k20z3 head. Going to be doing valve springs, retainers, and seals prior to the turbo install. So we're gonna get off the head, get it on the table, do that quick rebuild, put it on, and then we will do the complete turbo kit. Intake and hoses are off. Header's coming off next. Then intake manifold. Header's disconnected. Intake manifold off. Valve cover and head coming off next. Valve cover is off. It's a pretty good looking head. Valve train's looking good.
This thing is clean.
Real clean. Heck yeah.
Cams are perfect to do a 2420 and the wife's assigned.
Not wrong. Get ready, K20. You're about to take a lot of forced induction, little guy.
A lot.
Be ready, buddy. You got this. Timing chain cover and timing chain is off. Head's next. We're almost there. Right. Head is officially off. And time to get this bad boy on Mike's table. Send it right over to him.
K20z3 head. Got stud valves and valve train. We're going to be taking it out, installing new Carrera valves and Super Tech seals, and we have some Super Tech springs and retainers. Never taken apart a head before. You're gonna learn today.
All right, Mike just got finished with the K20Z3 head rebuild, and he did a fantastic job. If you guys want to see a more in-depth DIY version of that, the video should be dropping within the next week, so just keep an eye out. But check out this head, he did a great job. Right now, she is ready to be installed. Stock port. Other than that, she's built. Ready for the turbo kit. That's gonna be going. That's a new home right there. Head is installed and complete, minus the valve cover. Turbo kit is next. We got the header all disconnected. And here's the turbo and manifold. GT35 eBay turbo. Should produce a decent amount of power. No shaft play, that thing's in good condition, so ready to see how it looks and performs on the car. You guys can't see from up here, but the exhaust is all one piece. They welded that to the header right there, so we're gonna have to cut that off in order to get the exhaust free. And already loosened the control arm so that can drop down. So I'll be getting that out in just a moment, and then we'll be able to install the turbo manifold. Right, intake manifold is installed. Old header is off. Put this on. Just need to connect the turbo. Just need some hardware for that, but we're moving right along. It's looking good. All right, turbo kit is on. We got there just for mock-up. We are waiting on some more hardware for that. So next thing for this, we are going to be doing a Quantum 450 fuel pump, clean injection fuel relay kit with the harness, 8 AN and 6 AN fuel lines, feed and return, a flex fuel sensor, a GM flex fuel sensor. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it for this week's video. We do have a lot more coming for the EG hatchbacks. We are just waiting on a lot of hardware, a good majority of the fuel system parts that I mentioned in the video. So for now, just stay tuned for that head rebuild video that will be dropping within the next week or so. And as always, I will leave you guys with this: nothing great in the world has ever been accomplished without passion. That's George Eagle. See you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful week.